In the name of Allah, the most merciful and most gracious. O Allah, advance me in the knowledge and true understanding. This is in continuation of our previous video about engineering assets and facility maintenance management system basic structure. Now in this video we will discuss how to develop quality manual for any organization in relation to applicable standards. Let's start. There are three main components of engineering assets and facility maintenance management: quality policies and procedures. Topic of this video: computerized maintenance management system and building automation system or industrial Internet of Things. These two will be covered in our next videos. What is quality? Quality is to achieve the specific requirements or to meet targets as close as possible. What is quality manual? The documented information about quality management system of an organization is the quality manual. Provide the framework to meet quality system needs and convey managerial commitment for the quality plan. Why quality process to be documented in the shape of manual? Documentation provides a written account of things as they happen. This is especially important in regards to work practices, legal matters, audits, or disputes. Human memory isn't perfect. Writing down or store an account of any significant event, whether they are policies, procedures, incidents or even just standard meetings, preserved details can be referenced if needed. It's also helpful for maintaining rules and responsibility, or when problems do arise. On top of that, it provides a tangible form of support for people who may be affected by a problem. Having the rules posted can help someone feel more comfortable reporting an incident if they know the policy. We have discussed the importance and need of documentation for quality management system. We are now moving towards the preparation of quality manual for the engineering assets and facility maintenance management, with the help of template extracted from an original quality manual. To start developing this manual, you must know the organization's goal, management directions, your tasks and responsibilities. This is how to start a quality manual. In this picture you are seeing the example of cover page, then index according to the need and business of the organization. These are two different pages shown in one picture. Keep them separate in the actual document. List down your process or steps of the business and other requirements for the documentation need for the quality process, like database forms etc. make part of this index. Next step is, as shown, define your vision, mission and policies for different tasks and procedures of every task, in the written steps or in the shape of flowchart. Scope of services of departments, sections or department as one unit, depends on the organizational structure. Clarity and continuity of this part of document is the key of success of your quality plan. We are discussing about the preparation of quality standards manual for the EAFMM. In our next part, the procedures and database forms examples are shown. These all are the key components of the quality management system. Few flowcharts examples of need: acquire, maintain and upgrade or dispose, which is the equipment life cycle. Procedure of pre-purchase appraisal of equipment, the need, then equipment acceptance, the acquire action. Now the examples of the preventive and breakdown maintenance procedures. These are some part of maintain section of equipment life cycle. Other important actions of quality management system: logging of equipment or location, the start of beginning of asset or facility life cycle, the disposal is the process of end of its life cycle. For the quality management system, forms for database are also required. These may be in the hard or soft format. These numbers and type of forms depend on organization business. These are few examples shown of equipment installation, logging and replacement forms. We completed the steps to develop the EAFMM quality manual. For further clarification or assistance you can contact us. We contribute in the development of knowledge-based networking of quality standards and emerging technologies for technical community through education and consultancy for the standardized and internationally recognized Pakistan. Give your feedback about this video in comments. You can ask questions for any further clarification in comments or on Facebook and LinkedIn. For more details visit our website. Our next video of this series is about computerized maintenance management system. Subscribe our channel for informative videos. Thank you for watching this video. This documentation is according to ISO 55000 and 41000 quality standards.